Have you ever thought about what the wear on your shoe sole is really telling you? When the toes turn out and the foot collapses inward, it's not just about the shoe. It's about how pressure travels through your whole body. Even if the knee looks stable, the tension doesn't vanish. It climbs higher, into the hips, the pelvis, and the lower back. That's why the answer isn't in changing shoes, but in changing the foundation. Strengthen the foot, restore the arch, align the chain, so every joint can share the load instead of one area breaking under it.